My people, this one no be news wey e dey sweet heart as community for Kwara State e take gather for mourn dis woman and her 4 children as dey take go straight for RIP after fire incident e take attack their house. My people, this one na another terrible news wey e dey pain chest wey na dis our sister Ruth 15-year-old allegedly e send e elder brother to for RIP because e take advise her. My people, but before we wan dive inside all this matter for break am, if na the first time this way you dey waka you stop for this channel, you are highly welcome. For all my returning subscribers, I thank you all for the support you've been showering to this channel. And if you are not yet subscribed to this channel, please do well to smash that subscribe button and don't forget to turn on your post notification so that when we upload, una go be among the first to be notified and una go come. Thank you all for the support you have been showing to us. So my people, this matter for this our 15-year-old girl, my people, na matter wey e comot for the 19th of March 2021. E comot say this our sister wey na Biletiri Ruth wey e get 15 years, e don allegedly send her elder brother 17-year-old Joshua Biletiri for RIP, my people, because say e take advise her make she no dey sleep for outside. My people, because say e take advise her or question im movement dem as e dey take waka waka. Una know na, my people, she is young and she no be fit accept am. Dey talk say na way she take send her elder brother for RIP like this. My people, they say she sleep for outside. My people, she come back home for morning, her elder brother take the question and say, who say you sleep? Oh, I don't tell you, I don't advise you, say make you know they sleep for outside. Say this life for outside so e no dey pay, make you come back to your senses. You no heart for carry weight way you go, e no go be happy with her. My people, and as una know how young girls dem dey today, e vex because say her elder brother question am why e sleep for outside. My people, na wey dey say e allegedly e take knife e send her elder brother for RIP. This life don become na wetin my people dem. This one na painful matter. Now wey people for social media they don dey comment, others dem say just like that, oh, this family e don lost 2 children, pikin for 15 and pikin for 17 years old. My people, because say wetin this our brother so e don go RIP, they don lost am. This in sister wey send am for RIP, he sef e don go for police custody. My people, and if they not take care, na so she go enter krikri, and na so they don lost am too. My people, I want talk because this girl e think say the way her elder brother e dey advise her about her elder brother dey do am for am, but when na good thing because this same boy wey e dey comot with her now, this has boyfriend, e go abandon am. E no go come for krikri dey for take support her, and e no go support wetin e do because say even the boyfriend e go ask himself say, if na say this my girlfriend e take do this kind thing for her elder brother, na e be say if anything happen wahala don jam for me be that. My people, wetin una think about this matter? Now I see am, I say no, make her run jeje, bring am for una, make una see am too. Then na this kind situation na it don happen for this our young brother. Another one na this our community for Kwara State wey they take comot for this 17th of March. My people, after wey my people wahala dey, community don try best for take off this fire wey e start wey e take send this woman and her 4 children directly for RIP. My people, try for stop, people try for fire service, e come e find way for block everything. My people, but wey no be dey, we go listen way how their community head e take talk about the incident and how the mommy father e take talk about am.
A lot of about 4 or 5 community members make effort to enter, but with the level of fire and smoke, there is no way we can go in. We are unable to rescue the wife and 4 children.
To Titilayo's father is an irreparable loss.
When I came in the morning, it was so disastrous to me because losing 5 people at a time is something that my mind cannot bear.
my people, una don hear thing with community head e take talk, and this woman her father too talk. So this woman na e name na Titilayo, na mother for 5 my people, wey 4 of her children don take follow her go RIP, and one way e take remain alive e dey for intensive care units for hospital. My people, this matter e be very painful. They say this incident e happen after some days wey rain e be fall plenty, wey e take destroy electric poles dem for the community, and light e no be dey for the community. So this woman and her 5 children wan sleep, they take on candle light, they put am for one of the rooms my people. So as they sleep, that candle light night starts the fire, my people, while they were sleeping. As they sleep now, the fire starts, but wait for rescue them no be there. Even when community members they come out, then talk say even the person where it takes safe that one pikin way, it dey hospital, yourself it get burnt them for a hand way. Fire too it burn my people. My people, now which kind wahala be this? Now which kind painful death be this, my people? I'm sorry for this woman and her 4 children. I take sorry for the family too. I won't talk for all these African countries them where they get problem for light. When light in no day house, my people, make una not sleep with candle lights on. The worst mistake that I take advice everybody say, candle lights is supposed dey na only when una dey awake. The moment wey una wan sleep, una turn and off. Una off am because say as una dey sleep, una no know wetin wey fit happen for back. Una say this woman and her 4 children don go straight for RIP just like that. Light company no dey help, electricity company e no dey help. Since how many days we rain for e destroy poles, una dey waka dey delay. See how lives they don go now, just like that. 4 beautiful kids and their mother don't take go like this. Una fit imagine the immense loss where it take dey inside that family. For lost 5 members, una see how this woman Titilayo e father dey talk, e don tire life. E show say e don tire. My people, my parents, my brothers, my sisters, wey una dey watch this video, una don take see am, make una see this one like kind of a lesson where e dey teach everybody wey dey sleep with candle light on. I beg you, make you not do am again, because say while you dey sleep, you don't know what fit happen for back, my people. The matter is serious, e be painful. And these people they wake up for this 17th of March. Now so everybody they cry. Now community died with this, my people. Everybody they mourn. Now which kind of wahala be this? I want take pray say me this other child where he there for that hospital, make him better. Yes, that child where he there for that teaching hospital, make him better. At least for say make the name for that woman and not just go like that for inside water. My people, make una be very careful. I take God name beg una. Make we be very careful with our lives. We know the kind place we'll come out. We're supposed to protect ourselves by power, by force, my people. As I see this matter, I say make a run, bring them for una. Anyway, my people, we'll go stop this matter for here. If you dare you never subscribe, I beg subscribe, like, share, and comment for the video. And go see you next time.